Hello, my name is Simon Dowds from Make It Easy For You. In today's video we're going to talk about Find My iPhone feature, which is a service part of iCloud. To make sure that you are signed into iCloud, go to your settings app. Go to your name. Go to iCloud and then scroll down until you find My iPhone. Turn it on, and then also, which is important, which is a new feature, is Send Last Location. Send Last Location will remember where you are when you were in signal with GPS or 3G. Now I've turned Find My iPhone on my iPhone, I'm going to now go on to Find My iPhone on the iPad to show where it is. So first of all, find My iPhone app on your iPad. You'll need to sign into the Find My iPhone app on your iPad. Now the Find My iPhone setting has been turned on the iPhone. So tap on the Find My iPhone, and then obviously this is the phone. So on here you've got a list of actions. So you can do play sound, okay. You've got the option of lost mode. So if you turn it on, it will give you can put mobile number and details in, and then if the phone is found they can return it to you. Or the other one is erase mode. This will wipe the phone with all its data, but what you'll need to do is if you find the phone, you'll have to then log back in with your Apple ID as the phone has activation lock enabled. So if someone else tries to log into your phone once they've stolen it, they can't do anything with it.